another adventure. Right now we are at a pond in Baltimore, and we are going to see if we can't hook into something real quick. Holy cow! That was a snakehead.
That does not mean it's not good.
Oh my god!
No, that was definitely good.
I hope I picked that up on camera.
But the one that's like a hole, that there's like, hold on, so that's 3 on there. Oh, be careful with the turtles. Right on. They didn't even notice. So there's like 2 on that end. 5.
It's a frog, buddy.
So.
What did he do?
Wait, what did they do?
He said, ah!
Is that what they did, monkey?
I don't know if there's bass in this one, but definitely something. Whatever that was that jumped over there, it was big.
Mom, the thing I like about the pond, all the turtles are just chilling on there.
Alright, you want to walk to the pier?
Yeah.
Yeah, I'm about to get out of your way.
Well, let's go up here.
Don't hit me in my head. Come on. I got you. Here, let's get out of the mud. Yep, keep going, keep going. Good job. Oh, you alright? You alright, big fella?
Yeah.
Here, let me reel your rod in so you don't get Here, buddy.
Oh, there you go.
This is a really good top water pond. We come at the right time to get smashed. You got a big fish. Awesome.
Well, at least we know that the snake has a here.
So, it looked like a snake. Stop, monkey. Stay up here, please.
You just see the back of them. The main one I see is that biggest one on like the top.
Yeah. Monkey, please stay up here. No, mommy's fishing for a second. To commit some trespassery activity to get to this spot. Right now we're on the hunt for northern snakeheads. It's Father's Day. Hopefully we can get on one. I've never caught one, so it'd be pretty cool to catch one on Father's Day.
Hey dude, we're gonna go back into the hole. You're more than welcome to come on.
Alright, thank you, buddy. I appreciate you. You catch anything yet?
I caught a big old bass, and when I let him go, he's been flapping around the whole damn time.
Oh, man.
I feel like he's fucking with us. You know what I mean?
Yeah. Nice. After all that adventure, I came back to this pond real quick to see if I can snag something with this chatterbait, because I didn't use the chatterbait here earlier. Let's see. Alright, we're live, making sure we're live. Oh, I snagged a turtle. Jesus. That was a big old turtle I just snagged. Holy cow, I hope I caught that video. Sheesh. The pond that I have no clue if they have fish or if they have bass. No clue at all. But okay, I see a bunch of bluegill on bed. So that's a good sign. try this feet right here. Back at one of the local close ponds because I've had a rough day, rough Father's Day. I went to about probably 5 ponds, got skunked at every one. Then at the last one I just left, I actually broke my Lose Xfinity rod. Yeah, broke probably like 8 inches off the tip, so that's unfixable. If it was just the tip, I could probably buy another tip, but I literally broke like 6 inches off of it, maybe 8, honestly. So, I don't know what I'm gonna do. Have to buy another one, I guess. Good Father's Day being with my family and all that, but it was rough as far as fishing. Got skunked at like, I think 5 or 6 ponds. I think it might have been 6, I can't even remember. I tried for some snakeheads earlier. Got skunked there. Woke up late. So I wasn't even able to get the start that I wanted to get. It was just a rough day. Broke my fishing rod. Which definitely sucked. Got it. He got it. He got it. I got him, y'all. Let's go. Oh, he's feisty. Nice one. Nice one, nice one. Let's go. He hit the top water, and it was right after I pulled it out. So I threw it back in there and let the ribbon tail sink down, and he hit it. Let's go. Got another one, y'all. Nice, 2 for the day. That's 2. Nice. Let this one back go. And we're back. Let's try it again. Irks my soul. For real fishermen out there. I got one. Nice. So that's 3. That's 3, boys and girls. Nice, nice, nice. Oh, stop it, stop it, stop it, stop it, stop it, stop it, stop it. You're welcome. Hey, Mommy and Daddy want you.
Come here, you stinker. Thank you.
You're welcome. Yeah, you're all right, buddy.
No, that's a problem. He sees people and he's like, I want this.
That was fun. Caught a fish and a dog.